Hi, this is Andrew Home Karaoke again. And in this video, this time we are going to talk about what is a suitable karaoke sound system for your singing. Okay. Now, to enjoy karaoke singing, of course, you need a good sound system. What is a sound system then? A sound system is in fact an amplifier with speakers and plus a subwoofer. Now that is a karaoke sound system. Now the total power output of the amplifiers that is suitable to you, of course, depends on how large your singing area is and whether your singing area is an enclosed one or an open space. So you have to measure that before you decide which sound system is suitable to your singing. A good sound system in singing, of course, consists of an amplifier with an appropriate power output. When I say appropriate, I mean it depends on how large the singing area is. A pair of speakers, the left and the right channels, with complementary the handling capacity of the speakers as well as a subwoofer. Now, apart from the master volume control, the amplifier must be able to adjust separately the bass and the treble outputs. Now, of course, I want you to remember, home theater, a lot of you must have home theater at home. That the Dolby Digital and the 5.1 surround stereo receiver, if you try to use that as an amplifier, you may easily get the feedback, because when you turn on all the speakers, like you go and watch a movie, of course you will generate a current of sound, and then you have nothing but headache feedback there. In this case, what should you do? Please turn off all the speakers, turn off the surround. We call this analog, okay? Leaving only the two front speakers facing apart from one another. Now that is how a good sound system for singing should work. Therefore, remember now, in singing, only two channels plus your subwoofer with the adjustable bass and treble will do a good job, right? Then people ask me, can I hook it up to a TV sound? Okay, the amplifier, remember, built into a TV, no matter how big it is not designed for singing. The design for the TV sound is digital and it has no bass, and therefore it is aimed at clarity for you to watch movies, for you to listen to music. That's all. The reason why, because in singing we have to inhale and exhale, and we exert the power into the sound system, and therefore the power you exert into the TV may in no time crack your TV speakers. Therefore, let me give you a little bit of warning or advice. When you sing, do not sing with the TV sound or the 5.1 surround sound. Okay, now that ends my little talk on sound system. Question, of course. Okay, the question is, for this time, what is a good sound system? What is a good sound system suitable for singing? I repeat, what is a good sound system suitable for your singing? Alright, if you know the answer, you know what? Of course, when you come to the store, you have a price, free, okay? Or if you want to come to buy the hard drive machine or the K-Pad portable karaoke machine, guaranteeing you will get the answer correct this time, you have $50 off. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.